Hello guys, you're welcome once again on this platform. And in this video, we are going to talk about NBA life crash. So if you're facing NBA life crash, then this is how you go about, or this is how to fix it. So first of all, without wasting much time, let's start. But before that, please wait. Tap on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video with your friends on other social media platform. It's really important to me. So let's fix it. So first of all, when you launch to your phone menu, tap or search for settings. So when you see the settings app, just tap on it. After tapping on it, what you have to do next is to scroll down a little bit. You are going to see app management. So when you see the app management, I mean this app or this place, just tap on it. um After that, what you have to do next is to tap on app settings or app list or apps. This is where you are going to see all your app listed alphabetically. So you have to scroll down to the end section, which you are going to see the NBA live app. So just tap on it. When you tap on it, what you have to do is to tap on the force stop. It's really important. If your force stop an app, it may behave. Just forget about it. To tap on OK. After that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you make sure you've toggled on the background data. So let's toggle it on. After that, go back. Then you tap on storage and cache. You have to tap on clear cache to clear the cache. Then you tap on clear storage. You are going to see this pop up. It's going to appear like this. Then you tap on OK. So just tap on OK like this. After that, what you have to do is to go back. Next is notifications. So you tap on notifications, and when your notifications is like this, what you have to do is to toggle it on, and you're going to see that everything is really on over here. So this is really important. And lastly, when you get to your phone menu, tap on the Play Store, and you're going to see this. Search for NBA app. So when you search for NBA live app, you're going to see this. And when you find this, what you have to do is to just tap on the update section over here. When you can see update, but you can see only Play Store, just restart or reboot your phone. But when you can see update over here, which means you have to get the latest update of the app. And this is the reason why your NBA live app is really crashing. So what you have to do, or this is how to restart or reboot your phone. So if you want to do so, just tap on your power button for long with your finger. So just tap on it for long for some seconds. After that, you're going to see this. When you see this, just tap on restart or reboot like this. Some other phones, when you tap on it, you're going to see a pop-up. Then you tap on OK, and it's going to reboot its own self. So it's really important. After rebooting its own self, you are free to use the app. So when you try this and it's not working for you, please let me know in my comment section, and I'm going to show you a different method to fix this. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friend. If you have any question or anything, just let me know in my comment section, and I'm really here to serve you guys. If you are facing any problem online, just let me know, because I'm here for you guys. Thank you very much, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.